Bartender Cookout is back again on August 16, 2025. If you don't remember the last cookout, but no go want miss this. So, lock the date and don't be late. Make sure you secure your orders from now. Bartender Cookout is the place to be.
What is that? You're in my office. These are my file cabinets with all your documents in it. So tell me, Chris, how do you feel today?
I'm tired as usual, It's been a long day.
And is there any other feeling of stress, fatigue that you can describe?
Absolutely. Lunchtime gone and get the time for eat lunch time. That's one of the stress thing.
But we have to try to eat on time because that can really cause damage to us that we don't even know.
Speaking about eating on time, who exactly told you a time which is the on time where you said you're supposed to eat?
Well, for me, I eat around the clock. So if it's a case where you just feel peckish, you can just munch on something. It's not necessarily having a meal, but you just make sure that your body gets something in it, especially fluid.
Alright, so are there any specific food where you can say, alright, this can hold you for half an hour or a few hours?
Well, it all depends on your body. Because I can have maybe a sandwich and it holds me for maybe an hour and a half. So it all depends.
Alright, so for me, meal of chicken, I love my big plate of food. What if me not eat on time, but me eat one solid meal for the day? Would that be alright?
Sure. You just need to find something to munch on in between until maybe dinner time. Or depending on when you have your dinner.
Alright, so in that case, there's no dinner time because I start do an exercise program now where I have to fix my diet. So one heavy meal in a day, anything else is like tea in the morning, maybe a sandwich as well, but it's not a must. So in the nights, I'm not really focused on dinner anymore.
In the nights, you still can have a cup of tea, maybe a crackers. It all depends.
Madam Swang one.
No!
Madam. What are the part of boss people? See that? What are the part of boss? That's your hide.
You can't do that!
I saw flowers they fly one at a time. Acha. You can't lie me at it. Watch out. See flowers there. Big Mullines Road. Shana walk barefoot people. Shan, what is this? Why are you walking barefoot? They say I have glue. Use the glue now. Say you have to walk before you glue it. Process this tonight, process this. So Sean, how are you sew it? No! I think she have glue she have to use. But a needle and thread.
You don't know what I'm going right here, so. Tell me about file nail. You think I push towards the past this? I come tell me about file nail.
Yo, you have to sew in this. Yo, you have to sew in the flowers. Yeah, one Shan, Say, Shan, you know if you use her and make fashion as well. Mummy and grandma.
Fashion?
Fashion them say, them say fashion. A fashion them say. So people, this is the sewing process, and after that she have a brand new slipper. She don't have to worry about it bursting again unless the part where she sew up bust out. You know? Yeah. Over there. Mullines Road.
Big embarrassment.
So it's embarrassment. Finishing product. Stitch up back and steady. Flowers step on it again.
Am I your puppy talking? Have to test it. Have to test.
Because when you're weight go on that, you know. Because it's lit. It's alive, people, it's alive. Sean, are you that, you know? Maybe I've got to sew the next one, because you don't trust it. So you know how to do it? So you're tight to tight. Yeah, we out again. People, make sure the notification bells are on. And make sure you hit the subscribe button already. You wanna do it. Look out for our forward. The agency up and running.
What? The menu is now out. So people, it's time to choose your favorite meals. How to do so? Send us a DM at Xpressionzja on Instagram, or you can send us a WhatsApp at 1-876-504-8773. Plus, don't forget the big bad after party. Listen, place your orders now. Orders close off on August 8th. See you there.